Imagine having the power to guard your kidneys against damage just by what you put on your plate. What we eat plays an undeniable role in maintaining our overall health, and our kidneys are no exception. These two little organs, each no bigger than a fist, are our body's unsung heroes, tirelessly filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood. Just like a car engine needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our kidneys require a balanced diet to function at their best. Now, you might wonder, how exactly does diet impact kidney health? Well, certain foods are packed with nutrients that help the kidneys perform their vital task. They can aid in preventing kidney stones, reducing blood pressure, and even slowing down the progression of kidney diseases, such as proteinuria. Yes, you heard it right, proteinuria, a condition where an excess amount of protein ends up in your urine, a telltale sign that your kidneys are not functioning as they should. But don't worry, nature has provided us with a pantry full of kidney-friendly superfoods. These nutritional powerhouses not only taste great, but also contain specific compounds that support kidney health. For instance, foods rich in antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, a primary culprit behind kidney damage. Foods low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus are also beneficial as they reduce the load on the kidneys, allowing them to work more efficiently. While it's important to note that no singular food can guarantee perfect kidney health, a balanced diet filled with a variety of these superfoods can make a significant difference. It's about creating a synergy between different nutrients, where they work together to keep your kidneys in top shape. So, are you ready to discover what these superfoods are? Are you eager to learn how to incorporate them into your daily meals and embark on a kidney-friendly culinary adventure? And the good news is, these kidney-protecting superfoods might already be in your kitchen. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the antioxidant-rich blueberries. These little spheres of goodness pack a mighty punch when it comes to promoting kidney health. Bursting with antioxidants, blueberries help combat oxidative stress, a leading contributor to kidney disease. They're like your own personal shield, protecting your kidneys from damage. But that's not all. Blueberries are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often the body's response to kidney injury. By reducing inflammation, blueberries help pave the way for improved kidney function. What's more, they're low in potassium and phosphorus, making them a safe and delicious choice for those with kidney concerns. And let's not forget, they're incredibly versatile. Toss them in your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on your breakfast cereal, or simply enjoy them as a sweet, juicy snack. So next time you're in the fruit aisle, don't forget to grab a handful of these tiny but mighty berries. Swimming in at number 9 are the omega-3 powerhouse, fish. When it comes to kidney health, fish truly shines like the star of the deep blue sea. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fish is a potent weapon against proteinuria, a condition that can damage your kidneys over time. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, found in fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often associated with kidney damage, but with the help of these fatty acids, we can combat this. Moreover, these fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining and improving kidney function. They help reduce blood pressure and decrease fat levels in the blood, both of which are essential for optimum kidney health. Whether it's a grilled salmon steak, a tuna salad, or sushi for the adventurous, incorporating fish into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial. Remember, a little fish goes a long way in keeping your kidneys healthy. At number 8, we have the flavorful and medicinal garlic. This pungent superfood is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which are essential in protecting the kidneys from damage. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. This potent ingredient also helps in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, further safeguarding your kidneys from potential harm. So next time you're cooking, don't shy away from adding a clove or two. Garlic not only adds flavor to your dishes, but also packs a punch when it comes to kidney health. Adding a splash of color at number 7 are red bell peppers. These vibrant veggies not only brighten up your plate, but also take good care of your kidneys. How, you ask? Red bell peppers are inherently low in potassium, an attribute that makes them a kidney-friendly choice, but that's not all. They're also teeming with powerful antioxidants that shield your body from harmful free radicals. So, add some red bell peppers to your diet for a colorful and kidney-friendly meal. Crunching its way to number 6 is the humble cabbage. This leafy green is more than meets the eye. Cabbage is a powerhouse of phytochemicals that wage war against harmful toxins in your body. These natural compounds work tirelessly to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning at their best. They help detoxify your system, flushing out unwanted substances, and promoting overall kidney health. So, don't underestimate this common vegetable. Cabbage might be humble, but it's definitely a superfood for your kidneys. Pouring in at number 5 is olive oil. This golden liquid is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a kidney superfood. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and beneficial for your kidneys. These fats help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that can lead to kidney damage. So next time you're cooking, reach for that bottle of olive oil. Remember, moderation is key. A drizzle of olive oil can go a long way in protecting your kidneys. Crunching in at number 4 are apples. These everyday favorites are more than just a tasty snack. Apples are packed with fiber, a nutrient that's known to aid in maintaining kidney health by helping to regulate the digestive system and reduce inflammation. Moreover, their anti-inflammatory properties work in concert with fiber to provide a protective effect on your kidneys. So, whether you prefer them raw, juiced, or baked, don't underestimate the power of this humble fruit. Remember, an apple a day could keep kidney problems away. Tearing up at number 3 are onions. They're more than just a kitchen staple. They're a superfood for your kidneys. Onions are low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their kidney health. But that's not all. They're also high in antioxidants, providing a protective shield against damage to your kidneys. The potent combination of being low in potassium and high in antioxidants makes onions a winning choice for your kidney health. Onions might make you cry, but your kidneys will thank you. Cracking in at number 2 are egg whites. These protein powerhouses are a fantastic choice for maintaining kidney health. Egg whites are brimming with high-quality protein, which is essential for repairing and maintaining body tissues, including the kidneys. But the real kicker, they're low in phosphorus. This means they won't put excess strain on your kidneys as they work to filter waste from your blood. So, the next time you're whipping up an omelet, consider going white. Egg whites are a great way to get your protein without overworking your kidneys. And the top superfood for kidney health is cauliflower. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients, particularly high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells, including those in your kidneys, from harmful free radicals. But its benefits don't stop there. Cauliflower also boasts a good amount of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, both of which are important for kidney health. Plus, it's low in potassium, making it a great choice for those with kidney issues who need to monitor their intake of this mineral. Perhaps one of the most noteworthy attributes of cauliflower is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can damage kidneys over time, but the compounds found in cauliflower can help combat this. Moreover, this versatile veggie can be substituted for higher carb foods like rice and potatoes, making it a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. So there you have it. Cauliflower takes the crown as the #1 superfood for kidney health.